Welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about print store branch management, or can say physical or retail store management. You can add one or multiple branch store in admin so all your business can manage online. All order can be tracked easily in admin. It will help you to track your business whether it's online or offline. Let's see how can we set print store branch in admin. Need to put all information of print store branch and person who is managing store, so branch store admin will be created for that specific branch. By activating this button, admin can give access to one branch that they can assign orders to other branches. Now if branch store manager logs in admin, so this one is print store branch manager's admin panel with dark theme. Branch admin can view all orders assigned to him. He can assign orders to other branches if he has access. He can add offline orders or can say walk-in customer orders, so all orders can be managed online. He can view quotes of his customers and provide quotation prices, also add new quote from admin. Overall, he can do all stuff related to quote for his customers. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.